Today we see together a special natural habitat, a salting area, a plant that grows and loves salted soil, and some story about all of these. This plant is Salicornia europaea, its Latin name. Salicornia europaea, known as common glasswort or just glasswort. Salicornia is a genus of succulent, halophyte, flowering plants in the family Amaranthaceae that grow in salt marshes, on beaches, and among mangroves. Salicornia species are native to North America, Europe, South Africa, and South Asia. The Salicornia species are small annual herbs. They grow prostrate to erect. Their stems are simple or branched, succulent, glabrous, and apparently jointed. All the stems may be somewhat woody basally. The opposite leaves are fleshy, glabrous, sessile. The leaf blades are very reduced. These species are green, but their foliage turns red in autumn. Salicornia europaea is edible, either cooked, either raw. Samphire is usually cooked, either steamed or microwaved, and then coated in butter or olive oil. Due to its high salt content, it must be cooked without any added salt in plenty of water. After cooking, it resembles seaweed in color, and the flavor and texture are like young spinach stems, asparagus, or artichoke. The cattle, sheep, goats, and donkeys eat with pleasure Salicornia. Of course, they don't know this plant by its Latin name. Nor us humans no call it the same everywhere. Some call it samphire greens, beach asparagus, crow's foot greens, sea asparagus, sea beans, sea green bean, sea picker, or marsh samphire. If we want to reduce the amount of salt in the diet, we can use instead of salt Salicornia plant. We can add Salicornia plants in our different culinary preparation, but this does not mean eliminating salt from food, but just the beginning of other culinary vision, because Salicornia contains enough salt and can be extracted industrially. The resulting product is known as vegetable salt. These plants are Dipsacus and rumex, their Latin name. It looks like the naturally derived plant salt is effective in treating high blood pressure and fatty liver disease. The ashes of glasswort plants were long used as a source of soda ash for glassmaking and soap making. Salicornia europaea, it can be used to produce animal feedstuff and as a biofuel feedstock on coastal land where conventional crops cannot be grown. Experimental fields of Salicornia have been planted aimed at the production of biodiesel. This place where I film is very special. Before, there is a salt mine underground. The walls of this mine collapsed, the earth sunk, and this crater was created in which the water of a lake accumulated. The newly formed lake, just a few years old, has quickly entered the interest of several water birds. Here a nice pair of swans, but I saw even more dabbling ducks. Like everywhere on this earth, their lives are endangered by hunters. Let's enjoy this show the nature offers us. And let's not forget, it's very simple to stop the destruction of nature. It's easy to stop the unlimited range of suffering, agony, crimes that we developed through a wrong food system, a wrong spiritual system, a wrong mental system, a wrong way of life. It's enough that I change for the better. And I are inside every human being on this planet. I am you, he, she, we, you, these others. A wonderful life for all of us.